Tired of tangled cords cluttering your workspace? The Univivi Underdesk Cable Management Tray promises a safer, tidier desk by neatly organizing all your cables out of sight. With its sleek black steel design, this 32-inch tray maximizes your underdesk space and eliminates the risk of tripping over messy wires. It's a simple upgrade that instantly makes your workspace look cleaner and more professional. What makes this tray stand out is its dual installation options. You can choose the no-drill C-clamp for a damage-free, traceless setup or opt for screw mounting when you need a more permanent, sturdy hold. Either way, the tray stays firmly in place without wobbling or falling, giving you peace of mind that your cables are secure and out of the way. The design goes beyond just holding wires. Enlarged cable holes make plugging in and routing cords effortless, while the flexible layout lets you position the tray on either the front or back of your desk. This adaptability fits various desk styles and your unique wiring habits, making it easier than ever to manage multiple devices without the usual mess. Capacity is never an issue here. The tray's extended and widened shape holds power strips, chargers, data cables, and more, all in one organized spot. No more hunting for the right cord or wrestling with a tangled mess. Everything stays accessible and neatly stored, helping you maintain a streamlined workspace whether you're working from home or at the office. Safety is key, and this tray delivers with a ventilated, hollow design that prevents overheating. By allowing air to circulate freely around your power strips and cables, it extends the life of your devices and reduces fire risk. The sturdy steel construction also means you get a durable, long-lasting solution that handles daily wear without compromising performance. If you're ready to upgrade your workspace with a practical, reliable cable organizer, the Univivi Underdesk Cable Management Tray is worth a look. It combines smart design, strong build quality, and flexible installation to keep your desk clutter-free and safer for everyday use. Imagine the difference a clean, organized desk can make in your productivity and peace of mind. Try the Univivi tray when you're ready to take control of your cables and reclaim your workspace. With its large capacity, easy installation, and thoughtful features, it's a straightforward way to improve your office or home setup. Say goodbye to cable chaos and hello to a neat, safer desk environment.